Okay guys, hello and welcome to another quick tips video. And yep, so today we are going to be working on or creating some scripts that are going to automatically move this cube in our scene. So right now we have a more or less default scene. I just went to GameObject, create 3D object cube to give us this cube. First thing we're going to have to do is create an empty GameObject, call this GameManager. I always like to tag my GameManager as GameController, just so in case you need to access it, you always can, which we will be needing to do, by the way. Okay guys, so inside our GameManager, we're going to create a GameManager script. Create and add. And drag this into our auto-move folder. Keep everything nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to open this up, and we don't need any of this. Okay, inside our script, we're going to need to create two variables. First, a public float. I'm going to call this move speed. Set this equal to 1.0f. And then we're going to need a public vector3 called move vector. And that's it. Whoops. Okay. So now, inside our cube, we're going to create a cube constant move script. Create and add. Drag it in there. Just thinking, there we go. Okay. So inside our script, we're going to first need to declare our GameManager. We have two of them. Okay, this one, GameManager, and just call it GameManager. I think I've been spelling this wrong, but I don't care. Okay. So now, in our start function, we need to set a GameObject. Call this GameController, and it's going to be GameObject dot find GameObject with tag meaning GameController. Just like in our first quick tips video, the link to the description will be right down there if you want to hear a bit more on how this works. But our then GameManager is going to equal our GameController dot getComponent, component being GameManager. Okay, so now in our update, we do transform.Translate. This is going to be the line of code that actually moves the GameObject, and this is going to equal our GameManager dot move vector times k. Okay. Our GameManager dot move vector times our GameManager dot move speed times time dot delta time. Okay, so this is going to compile nice and neatly, and in our GameManager, move speed will set to 4.57 as always. Our move vector, we want to move it along the negative x-axis, so -1. So now in our game, we play. There we go. We're also able to move it along the y-axis as well. Just drag this down just a bit. Oops, wrong object. Go -5. there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure if you have any questions or comments to leave them in the right below the description, below that like button. And